Welcome back to the channel. So today what I got for you is yesterday I went out to the Barbarian Scaleplex for the No Man Left Behind event, which is held by Jack's RC Recycle and Repair, and it's to support the Wounded Warrior project. So they had an event out there. It was a team event, an individual event. So I ran my Predator build in class 2. It didn't go so well. So on the first stage, towards the end of the first stage, maybe not even quite there, about halfway, I broke a portal cup on the front, which left me with 3 wheels. I tried to finish, but actually, I'll just be honest, got frustrated and ended up not finishing stage 1, so I was a DNF really for the whole thing. But I stayed for other things. I also brought my class 1 truck just to play around, so I've also got some video of it on some of the other obstacles there at the Barbarian Scaleplex. I'm very impressed with how that rig's running. So that's what I got for you today. Hope you enjoy.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
You pit maneuvered me into the pole.
Make sure the volume's up.
Oh, I got it. Sure did. Got one. Dang it. I know. I was hoping not to.
I love that. Oh, that's right, man. Hey, don't forget, there's a third stage in the back. You do not have to do 1 and 2 first to go to 3. You go to 3, come back up and do 1 and 2, and then do 4. Just for traffic. Do that again for me.
Oh, of course I did.
Mine's saying they're right on the roof over there too. It falls over on the side.
So 1 gate and 1 roller. Seriously. Two gates. And a rollover. Wow, this gate's already jacked up. Man, what'd you do to this gate?
I didn't touch it.
Like, holy cow. You already been across the thing?
Huh?
You already went up there?
We don't have to.
Yeah.
We do.
Yeah.
What am I doing over here?
I was trying to figure that out.
I didn't know we had to go across. Go ahead.
Oh, son of a gun. Go ahead. Oh man, I broke something. Dadgummit. Roll over. This is gonna suck. That gate I've already been through. I probably... Front axle, CVD, whatever. So I'm three-wheeling. I don't know if I'll even attempt to finish now. Yeah, they do. Oh man, I'll never get at this. Oh yeah. Boom! I found it.
What? Oh, you did?
Yeah. Oh.
Go get my phone.
Dang it. I just keep breaking. Yeah, all right.
What's up, hero? How are you?
Go around me. I'm three-wheeling. I broke a freaking CV a while ago.
What is it?
Gen 8. I have HD ones at home. I just didn't bring them. I've never broken one before. Oh, seriously. Another rollover. Alright, I'm done.
So there you have it. What do you think? It definitely was upsetting to me that I broke my Predator build. That's the first time. Well, it's not the first time. It's actually the second time I've broken a Portal Cup. I broke one on my old Class 1 rig that was Gen 8 based. I have since fixed it. I have the Red Cat HD axles and cups in there, so hopefully that's no longer an issue. So hopefully, I'll have good success with that. My Class 1 big rig, the Element, I am very impressed with that. It's starting to become a top favorite of mine. It's performing very, very well. I'm very pleased with it. I have another part ordered for it that I'm looking forward to getting here that I think will make a big difference in it, and you'll be seeing that in a future video. Hope you like what you see today, guys, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Down below will be links to parts on the Predator build, and there's also an affiliate link for Red Cat if you need to purchase anything from Red Cat, parts, vehicles. If you use that affiliate link, I get a commission off of it. It's a small amount, and that money will go back into the channel. Until the next time.